In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check pending requests in Google Pay. If you've ever spotted a charge marked as pending or want to confirm whether a request is still awaiting action, this guide will show you exactly where to look and what each status means so you can stay on top of your money. First, open a web browser and go to pay.google.com. You can also use payments.google.com. Both addresses lead to the same Google Wallet experience. Sign in with the Google account connected to your Google Pay activity. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a snapshot of your wallet along with recent items. Next, head to the transactions section. Depending on your layout, you'll find it in the left sidebar or across the top navigation. Click Transactions to open your complete list. This page is your central hub for everything: payments you've made, money you've received, requests, refunds, and merchant authorizations. Now scan through your recent entries. Pending items are listed right alongside completed ones, and they'll have a clear status indicator such as pending, processing, or temporary hold. You'll also see key details like the merchant or contact, the amount, and the date. If the list is long, use search or adjust the date range to make it easier to find what you need. You can also check the Activity tab, which many people prefer because it shows a chronological feed of actions across your wallet. Activity contains the same information as transactions, so use whichever view makes more sense to you. When you find something you want to verify, click that transaction to open its details. Here you'll get the most accurate status, timestamps, and any notes from the merchant or Google. The details page is also where you can confirm whether a request needs your attention or if it's simply waiting on the other party or the merchant. Pay special attention to entries labeled temporary hold. This label indicates a pending authorization from a vendor, common with things like hotel deposits, gas stations, or online orders. A hold reserves funds to confirm your payment method but isn't a final charge. If the merchant completes the purchase, the hold is captured and becomes a posted transaction. If not, it usually falls off automatically when the merchant releases it or the authorization window expires. If a pending item lingers longer than expected, revisit the details page for updates, refresh your browser, and consider checking with the merchant for timing. That's it. Now you know exactly where to look to track pending requests in Google Pay.